What's up guys, it's Abhi here again with another new video. So in today's video I will tell you that when you use DroidCam app and for your video recording, for your social media videos, whether it's YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, I repeat that when you use DroidCam app on your mobile phone for the vlog or for the video you want to make, and connect that app with OBS Studios and start doing recording, you will see the watermark, as you can see it right now here on the top, right? Unless you pay for the subscription for DroidCam app, right? But I have found a solution to get rid of this watermark for free. So in today's video I will tell you exactly how to get rid of this watermark without paying for the subscription. Alright guys, so let's check the steps. Alright, so what you need to do is to get rid of the watermark, you click on DroidCam app, and then here you click on HD and drag the page down a little bit. So do you see it here at the bottom of the screen? View and add and unlock HD video, remove watermark for 1 hour. So if you will load this ad and watch this ad completely, it will remove the watermark for 1 hour, and when you will record your video and watch your video, the watermark won't be there. Alright, so let's try this. Alright, so I have watched the ad and I'll click on cross sign, and did you see it says HD unlocked? I just missed it. So anyway, I'll turn on the cam again. Alright, did you see this guys? The watermark is removed. So did you see there is no watermark on the screen? And then that's how you get rid of the watermark from DroidCam app without paying any subscription. I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.